photosynthesis out back into the atmosphere. So now you can see they have tied a plastic bag around the leaves. So after a day or two, we can see some visible droplets because they release it back into the atmosphere because so much water is not needed for photosynthesis.
Diffusion. Okay. So what it is doing? We have done just add a little amount of ink there, so that how as the water is hot, it is getting mixed up at the earliest because the molecules will be vibrating very fast. It has the highest kinetic energy. Okay. So, but if you what will happen in the cold water, the diffusion will take place very slowly. Okay. So here we are going to measure the temperature. So this will be your thermometer. This is a rubber thermometer. Okay. So what is this? Mercury. So this is called as what? The bulb. This is the bulb. So already we have checked now. What is the normal now? It is the normal temperature. Yes. Can you see the mercury reading here? First, now shall we dip it in the hot water and shall we see the temperature change? Can you see the black line? It is raising up. Can you see? It is showing the temperature. Endha water temperature irukku rise agudhu kaamikida. Can you see that the black line, girls? Can you see this black line from distance? You can see. Can you see the black line? Slowly you can check it. It is raising. Have you seen that? Boys, can you check it? Children, we have collected few sand particles and we are going to separate the magnetic particles from the sand. See how you can see the magnetic particles. It is moving here and there. So this is how you can separate the magnets from the sand. So this activity is very funny for the 6th standard, and this is how they can separate the magnet from the sand. Thank you.
Today I am going to explain that the magnet always points in the north-south direction. Here we have a strand and a magnet. The magnet is attached to the strand. If we shake the magnet, it will eventually rest in the north-south direction.
Ask.
Which is the north and south?
This is the north. This is south.
Types of microscope: compound microscope and simple microscope. Compound microscope contain 2 or more cells. Simple microscope contain only 1 cell. We can magnify object through microscope.
Here I have 2 magnets. The side with the white dot is the north pole. The side without the white dot is the south pole. If I put the magnets here, this is the north side, this is the north side. If I try to combine them, they will repel each other. So unlike like magnets repel each other, like poles repel each other. If I change the polarity, this is the south pole, this is the north pole, and try to combine them, they will attract each other. So unlike poles attract each other.
We can see the dorsal side and the opposite side. We can see the ventral side. It consists of so much of lines are there that we should call as segments.